All right, so let's try and answer this question. Now, the interior angle of a regular polygon is 6 times its exterior angle. So find the number of sides. So you can see here they said the interior angle, not the sum of interior angles. Okay. So let's try and get the formula here. The sum of interior angles is actually n minus 2 times 180, right? But then to get each interior angle, you now divide it by n. So this is formula for just one interior angle. Now, of a regular polygon is 6 times the exterior angle. So it's going to be 6 times 360 over n. Because to calculate the exterior angle of a polygon or of a regular polygon, that's going to be 360 divided by the number of sides. So this is the equation we have. So we just have to break it down. So now we continue. Now 180 bracket n minus 2 over n equals 6 times 360 over n. Now I could say, oh, if this is over n, okay, example, if I have a over b equals c over b, I can easily say a is equal to c, okay, because both share the same denominator. So I can also apply the same thing here. This is over n, this is over n. So I can actually say 180 bracket n minus 2 is equal to 6 times 360. I don't know why I've not multiplied this one yet, but okay. All right, so let's actually start opening the brackets. So we have 180n minus 360. Okay, so what's 6 times 360? So this is 0. 6 times 6 is 36. Put the 3 here. 6 times 3 is 18. Plus 3, that's 1. So 21. Okay, so it means 180n minus 360 equals 2160. So let me bring it here. So I can move, so I have 180 minus 360 equals 2160. All right, so now I can move this one, this 360, or this minus 360 to the other side, and it becomes plus 360. And let's not forget my n, 180n. So 180n is equal to 2160 plus 360. So 180n equals, so 2160 plus 360 is 0. 6 plus 6 is 12. That is 1 plus 1 is 2 plus 3 is 5. And then 2. So it means that 180n is equal to 2520. So we can now, what can we do? We can divide both sides by 180. So 180n over 180 equals 2520 divided by 180. So 180 cancels out. So we do 2520. So I'll just do it on my calculator. 2520 divided by 180. And that gives me, on my calculator, that gives me 14. So it means that n, the number of sides, is equal to 14. That's how you do it. Okay, so n is equal to 14. Let's see if that's in the options. Yeah, that's option B. Okay, so let's recap. How did we do this? Or how did we get this? How did we get 14? So we needed the formulas. Okay, so we know that the sum of angles or sum of interior angles in a regular or in a polygon will be n minus 2 times 180. But since they said interior angle, look at that English. So they did not say the sum of interior angles now. They said the interior angle of a regular polygon. So it means that after you find the sum, you divide by the number of sides to get each angle. So that angle now is 6 times exterior angle. And the formula for exterior angle is 360 over n. Okay, and then that's all. So since both denominators were the same, there was no need to start trying to cross multiply. You could actually do that if you want, but you still divide both sides by n again, by this, cancel everything. So you just kind of, how do I say, uh, let's say save time by simply eliminating both because they are the same. If they were different denominators, okay, now you have to cross multiply and all. But since they were the same denominator, like I said, if A over B equals C over B, then we can say A is equal to C. So there was no need for cross multiplying here. Remember, we can just eliminate, or we can say, okay, let's say just say multiply both sides by n, if that's what you like, and you still cancel out n on both sides. So now you're left with this, and then you just work with it, and you get your answer as n equals 14. So that's how you do it. This one is quite self-explanatory. So the answer here is B, and it's a WAEC 2023 question. So I hope that helps. Thank you very much.